All right, something quick and easy today. Start off with a wok, or you can use a regular old pan with a little oil. Add some frozen peas and carrots and some scallions. Stir that up for about 2 minutes. Took it out, then added some shrimp. You don't want to cook the shrimp 100% because we're going to take it out and put it back in when we start the rice. So I cooked it about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, went ahead and took that shrimp out. Add a little bit more oil to the wok. Time for the rice. I used about 2 cups of jasmine rice. Broke that down. Wanted to make sure all the rice is separate. And that was day-old cold rice. Once I got that broken down, put a hole in the middle and added 2 eggs scrambled with a little black pepper. Mix that up to incorporate the eggs with the rice. Then I added a little oyster sauce, probably about 3-4 tablespoons. Then I added about a good tablespoon of sesame oil. Then some soy sauce. Add as much as you want to suit your taste. Stir that all together. Get all that mixed in. Now it's time to add everything back to the wok. Get all that out of there. Stir that all up. Oh, it smells good. Got that all stirred up. It's getting there. Took about 4 minutes. Put a little scallions on top. Mix that all in. Plated it along with some fried chicken wings. Comment on what you would like for me to make next. Thank you.